Aim in life is really important because an aimless person is like a rudderless ship in the sea and does not know their direction and their destination. So, likewise, if we also don't have an aim in our life, we won't know where to reach. So, my dream is to become a lawyer. Being a lawyer is a noble profession. When I look around and see all the injustices that take place in the world, I know that one day I will be able to make a difference by becoming a lawyer. I would like to fight for the rights of average people who always seems to get lost in the system. It seems like the justice system favors the wealthy. So I want to know that I will make a positive change in the lives of others. So I know one day I will make that dream come true. In the words of Roosevelt, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams.